Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Career Shaper. Today we are going to learn about Angular ng class directive. So Angular ng class directive is an Angular attribute directive. Okay. So which allows us to add or remove CSS classes to an HTML element. Using ng class, we can create dynamic style in Angular component by using conditional expressions. Okay, so the ng class directive add or remove CSS classes and an HTML element. The syntax will be like this. I'll show you the syntax. Syntax will be like this: some element, okay, and we can have like this: ng class equal to expression here. Okay, this is the syntax. We need to like this. Okay, so here element is the term element. Element refers to this term element. Okay, and this expression is evaluated and the resulting classes will be added or removed from the expression, from the template. The expression can be various format like string, array, or an object. So let's have an example. Okay, we can like this: ng class equal to class 1, class 2, like this we can put. Okay, let's have some example. Okay, let's add a paragraph and I put something ng class demo. Okay, what we'll do here, we'll add ng class. Okay, what we'll do, put some red, green. We have added two classes, red and green. Okay, so we need to open this is. Okay, so we need to define this red class and green class. Background color red dot green color. Okay, so we have defined here, we have added a paragraph and added ng class, two classes, red and green. Let's see, the background is red and color is demo. If we inspect this element, see, two classes are there, right? Red and green. Okay, in this way you can add multiple classes. We can also use ng class without square bracket. In that case, what you need to do, you don't need this, like this parenthesis on it. You can put like this, and here you need to remove this. Like this you can put. Let's save here. Same output will be here, right? No. Okay. So next we will have ng classes with arrays. Like we will show how we can use like this. What I'll do, I'll just copy paste this one, the class demo with array demo. Okay, like this. Okay, so these are two array element will have like this. This is the syntax. Okay, let's see. Same thing will happen if you inspect this. Same red again. Okay, this is using string. This is using array example. Okay, so you can put any number of array element over there. Okay, next we will have ng class with object. Okay, so the syntax will be like this. You need to put a object over here like this. This is the class name. If it is true, it will do this. It will add red class, or if it is false, it will add okay, comma green will be false. So what we are doing here, we are putting red class to be true. That means red classes will apply here and green class will not apply here. The class with object. See? The green color is not applying here because that condition we have made it as false. See, only red is there. We are putting red too. This is the class name. This is true or false. This is the syntax. Okay, so here we are using object. You can use any number of classes here using ng class. Okay, so in this tutorial what we learned about Angular ng classes. In my next tutorial we will have a detailed discussion of Angular ng style. So how we can use that to styling our applications. Okay, till then, thanks for watching my videos. Bye bye.